Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak custom design that's currently in stock. So this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, as you can see, really stands out from your standard Wildtrak. It's had a Raptor kit added to it. It's also got some really nice factory fit options. So it's got the power roller shutter on the rear, it's got the full tow bar, and it's got the cargo management system. So it's a combination of having that Raptor kit and also some nice factory options. Really differentiates it and really makes it stand out from your standard Wildtrak vehicle. So let's just in a bit more detail. You obviously can see it's in the black. We go around now, point out some of these features to you. So this one got the bonnet scoop on the top. It's got the Ford lettering on the grille, like the Raptor style grille. It's got the lower bumper bar down below. Also, you've got the full blackout on the front bumper. Normally you get a silver section at the bottom. Obviously this one's been painted because it's black. It just looks a lot better like that. It's got the 20-inch alloys with brand new all-terrain tyres. Top of the windows gets the wind deflectors, just gives the vehicle a nice sleek look. It's the 2-litre twin turbo model, so it's 213 brake horsepower. It's got the leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. These vehicles get the 10-speed auto box as well. I'll go inside to show you a bit more of the spec inside, but it's a very nice spec. So on the Wildtrak you get like touchscreen navigation, heated seats, etc. Around the rear, this one's got the LED lights on it, so they're a nice upgrade. I've got them on at the moment just so you can see what they look like when they're off. You've got the full sort of stealth look, smoked look. You've got the tow bar down there, and this is that power roller shutter I mentioned. So we can operate this in 3 ways. You've got a button here you can push to operate that. If you push the button again, it will stop at any position. Push it a 3rd time, it then closes. Before it fully closes, that's the cargo management system. So you can see the tie downs there and the tie downs on that side there, which can be moved. That's part of that factory option I mentioned to you. So I'll push the button now to fully close it. So we can operate it on the button there. You've got a button on the key fob and button inside the vehicle, which I'll show you in a second. So in terms of spec, front and rear parking sensors, rear camera, keyless go, so key can stay in your pocket, vehicle unlocks, power folding wing mirrors. It's got the LED daytime running lights as well, so a lot brighter than the older model. My favourite view of these vehicles, front end view, just looking at them like this, I think they just look really great, really nice aggressive look on the road. Right, inside, let's go inside. You've got privacy glass in the rear window, that's the standard feature on the Wildtrak. You've got electric adjustment on the driver's seat. That's the button to operate that rear roller shutter. So we push that now, it's power opening. Push it again, it stops, and push it a 3rd time, it will close. So that's one of the ways you can operate that power roller shutter. Right, let's jump in. Okay, mileage is 9,926, so just under 10,000 miles. Being the Wildtrak, you get a number of driver assist features. So we've got lane keeping, so we can change alert and aid and turn it off completely. So you've got different options there. Traffic sign recognition, so it tells you the speed limit of the road you're in. You've also got lane departure assist. So on here you can push the lane departure assist button, so lane keeping system on. On the left screen you can have a navigation, phone or entertainment. You've got the cruise control with a speed limiter if you want to use that. That's your sat nav screen, rear camera, front and rear sensors. And then in terms of your media, as I said, touch screens. You've got DAB radio, you can Bluetooth your music from your phone. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you connect your devices. Ford Pass Connect, so you can download the app and then you can see the status of your vehicle in the app, so you can see if it's locked, etc., things like that. And sometimes you can remote start them depending if that's been enabled. You can also put the heated seats on, etc., pre-warm the vehicle if it's been enabled on the vehicle. Heated seats down here, 2 USB points, climate control, so you can set the temperature and it goes to that temperature. You've got the 10-speed box, you've got the manual adjustment, manual gear change if you want it, sport mode, standard auto mode, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low gear ratio. Just give you a quick overview of the interior. So as I said, leather seats, condition as you'd expect, very good, really nice condition inside and out on this particular vehicle. You've got the 3-pin plug socket down here, so if you've got a laptop or whatever you can plug it in, charge it up. ISOFIX points if you want to fit child seats, armrest in the centre, again nice and clean and tidy as you'd expect. So that's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak in black. Feel free to call me, I'm Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching the video.